To replace a control knob bezel on your gas range, pull the control knob straight back to remove. You can use a flathead screwdriver to help loosen the old bezel, but be careful not to scratch the surface of the control panel. Before you install the new control knob bezel, clean off any residue from the panel. Now peel off the backing to expose the adhesive. Place the provided alignment tool on the bezel so the locating tab aligns with the red marking. This will help you to position the bezel so it is centered over the valve stem. With the bezel secured, replace the control knob.